Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy headband. I use 3.5 millimeters hook and 3.5 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining, yarn over, I show, pull up yarn, make chain and repeat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 I made 60 chains in here. I show 60. I have 30 centimeter of these chains. Like this. Insert your hook into first chain. We have 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make a ring, make a chain, go to first chain, insert your hook into first chain, take 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, go to next chain, take 2 loops on hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet in every chain. And repeat. Go to last chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, go to first stitch. In first chain, take these 2 loops, a slip stitch. I show. In here, continue like this. Make 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Skip 1 single crochet, go to next single crochet. I show, skip this single crochet, go to next single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet and repeat. I show, I make this stitch, I show in last stitch 1 2 3 4 5, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In here, continue like this in last stitch, skip 1 stitch, we have 1 stitch between these stitches, make 1 2 chains. We made 2 chains in here, yarn over, go to this stitch, first stitch, pull up yarn. Now we have 1 2 3 yarns, unhook, yarn over, make a chain in this loop, make a chain, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, go to next stitch. This is first stitch, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, make a single crochet and repeat. I made this stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 2 chains, same as before, row, yarn over, go to first chains, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, and repeat 1 2 3 4 5 chains, go to first stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, go to next chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and repeat. Make more rows like this row. After these rows, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 rows in here. In last stitch, 3 chains, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, pull through, pull through. Continue, make 1 chain in last row I show, go to here, same chains, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, go to next, 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, 1 single crochet. I made this single crochet stitch, and we have 1 single crochet in first stitch. Make 2 single crochet in every stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to take this chain, first chain on your hook, a slip stitch. I have 15 centimeters in here, (20) 3 centimeters. I use elastic yarn. I show. You can use for every size.